Yo, it's Skippy, Chriso. Around this window I'm grouting, and I reckon they are the best. Like having your window tiled into the frame, I reckon is cool. It's saves a lot of staining of the paint. It should be done more often, I reckon. I reckon I might just have to touch that up when I take off the plastic film. It might just take a little bit of my grout out. Oh no, that's cool. Yeah, a little bit. Cool, eh? Oh, beautiful. Far superior to paint, and then I silicone around there. Beauty Bond's a cracker. Okay, people, don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you soon. See ya. Bye.